pride. Welcome to sock school, Miss Cotton calls, as socks of all colors roll down the walls. There's Stripey McStretch with his zigzag grin, and Dottie the dancer with polka pin spin. Plain old Whitey shy and neat, and Big Wool Bob with giant feet. They line up straight, 2 by 2, learning the things that good socks do. Lesson 1 says Miss Cotton is teamwork, you see. A pair is perfect, like you and me. They practice walking heel to toe in lines that loop and twist and flow. They learn to jump without a tear, and how to land with gentle care. Lesson 2, she shouts with flair, respect the shoes that you must wear. Keep them comfy, snug and tight, and always stay together, left and right. But in the back row, Socksie Splotch sighs, I mismatch colors, I'll never qualify. His partner Sockette, all pink and green, whispers softly, different can be keen. They sneak from class, feeling low, but tumble into the dryer's glow. The world goes wild, a spinning race, and colors swirl in a dizzy chase. When the dryer stops, they both emerge, bright and bold with a brand new urge. Now patterns twist and colors blend, creating styles that set a trend. They rush back in, their hearts on fire, as Miss Cotton smiles, you to inspire. Socks don't need to match to shine, being you is simply fine. The class cheers loud, the lint flies high, even Whitey waves from the line nearby. From that day on, the laundry's rule, mismatched socks, that's super cool. So when you find a lonely pair, don't grumble or toss them in despair. Remember sock school's happy creed, be proud of your pattern, your color, your speed. Because whether you're stripy, spotty, or plain, the best socks dance through every stain. And when your day feels odd or blue, just know the world fits 2 by 2. Like and subscribe, Haider Kids.